In this video, I'm going to
How
show
you can
easily create link to your profile on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And unfortunately, in WhatsApp, it is not possible to copy the link to your profile from WhatsApp application. So we just need to generate it manually. To do that, you can go to any social media platform or browser. Let's say I want to share my WhatsApp profile link with someone. On Telegram, I can just open up some conversation just like that. And then all we have to do is just enter me/, and then we need to enter our phone number with country code. For Russia, it is 7. And then all we have to do is just send it. Or we can copy to send it somewhere else. Or we can just save it somewhere. And if any users stop at that link, they will be redirected to a conversation with you in WhatsApp. That's how you can easily create link to your profile on WhatsApp.